complimentary to them after the promotion, right?
May I get this complimentary?
Yes.
I'm gonna get this complimentary.
Yes, super. There's something like
So what I gotta do
this
to get this complimentary?
Something like this in store normally value 25,000.
It's not a thing where you can't swing out that far. Because based on how it push back it tight. Yeah. If it was like sideways here, so you could swing all the way out. Or if it Good morning, good evening, family. It's your boy, Olifire Chopper 7, coming to you from out of Montego Bay again. Yeah. And I must apologize to my subscribers, to all of you subscribers and viewers, for not posting videos as often as I supposed to. Yeah, I start the year very bad, but don't worry, I will make it up to you guys. As you know, just a little personal issues going on, but very soon we'll get over that and be back to posting regular videos. So just stick and stay and go and support the channel as I continue to give you good content, yes, in and around Jamaica and hopefully the rest of the world. So yeah, so if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah. And thank you all for supporting, for love and support, family. Really appreciate every single one of you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate you. Yeah, enough love and respect to every single one of you. So we're walking the street of Montego Bay today again. Yeah. And whenever time you walk in the camera, people are just stare. Sometimes I don't like that. But I get sick and tired of that, but that's how it goes for don't peep. So I'm gonna say we are in Montego Bay. Downtown Montego Bay, walking downtown. Yeah. And today is a Tuesday. Yeah, today is actually Tuesday. And the last time I posted a video about Sunday. Yeah. So I haven't posted a video in a while. Yeah. So I'm just trying to give you a video today. So as I say, we are in the streets of Montego Bay. Yeah. So yes, PFs are trying to, start giving you guys back regular videos. So is this police or security? I don't know. So, but anyhow, oh yes, police. I don't know what's happening here, pa. Well, like something must happen. There's so much police and stuff. Yeah. Anyhow, peeps, we're in a Montego Bay. Look like something's happening. The police pull up and bike like crazy. And today is a very, very busy day, as you guys can see. Even though it's a Tuesday, which is in other towns, Tuesday is normally a busy day, as in a market day.
Sale for $10,000. Any t-shirts, shirts, jeans, or shorts.
Yeah.
Buy two, get one.
With the Montego Bay peeps. And I say it's a boy Olifire 7. And if you just are tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire Olifire. Yeah. Let's keep the fire blazing. And earlier this month we need to get to 8,000 subscribers. We're very close. Just want a little bit more. We're almost there. We're almost there at 8,000. So just a little bit more to go. Yeah. This channel need to blow up like the World Trade Center. Yes, and it's gonna happen. Good things gonna happen, peeps. Good things gonna happen. To us and for us. Yeah. A lot of changes to be made. Yes, rearrange and all of that, you know, in life. You have to learn to adapt to changes and overcome circumstances in your life. What don't break you, only make you stronger. You know? Orange. Long time I not seen an orange. Yeah, so police says crazy come by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Yeah, I'm seeing them pull up at one store up there, so when there's something that happen. Yeah, but they're just keeping the peace. Yeah. Police them keeping the peace, they're doing their job, I'm doing my job. We all have to do our jobs. Not true. That is it. We all gotta eat. We all gotta eat. And actually the time is so cool. The sun is not hot today. The sun is out but it's not hot. The sun is out but it's not hot. I tell you what the Hilux is. Jeez. I like this. I like the Hilux here. If you watch my channel you know that I'm an Hilux guy. Hello.
I need 1 minute out of your time, darling.
Yeah.
Once you're utilizing this area, I should be qualified to get something from out the promotion. So congratulations.
Wow.
Come this way for me, please.
I want to Montego Bay full of scammer though.
Come this way for me, please.
Go on. Let me hear you so now.
You have any use for the juicer?
Huh?
You have any use for the juicer?
Very well. They giving away stuff? Huh? They're giving away stuff?
Extraordinary, right? I'm going to get this complimentary to them after the promotion, right?
May I get this complimentary?
Yes.
I'm gonna get this complimentary.
Yes, super. There's something like
So what I
this
gotta
in
do to
store-
get this complimentary?
Something like this in store normally value 25,000 and I paid that today as I said because we have in a promotion. So hold this one for me. This is the his and her watch, right? One for you, one for your lovely lady up by the house.
Okay.
Nice watch set. Something like this in store normally value $15,000, but as I said, because we have in the promotion, I'm not going to pay that. So I'm going to show you the item that you're going to invest in. Alright?
When you go for get training like this?
I'm going to get training.
Lay like this. No, I'm serious, I'm not laugh. Eh?
Super, you have the diesel tool set already?
What you want them to just ban like this or you go somewhere to get training?
Ban like this.
No, you go somewhere to get training.
No,
Montego Bay, I college,
Yeah.
being in Montego Bay,
Yes.
so I'm not good at that scamming or so.
There's
That's one like a
something
scam.
Something like this in store. I'm a little over 30,000, right? But as I said before, we have in the promotion.
There's something like this in a store value over 30,000.
Yes.
This. What about
You
this?
know
What would value over 30,000?
Because
This is
this can
serious
hold
now.
anything. You see what you're going to do today?
This wouldn't value 30,000.
Super, listen what me I say. This is my product. You can't tell me what it value right now.
Because roughly,
Super, listen
this
what
not
me I
cost
say.
$100.
Super, yeah, listen what me I say.
this stuff cost $100, so it wouldn't cost 30,000 Jamaican dollars, eh?
Yeah, listen what me I say.
Me listen at my area.
You are doing work for me.
Both of us.
No,
Together.
me.
You and I.
Not you and I. No, that's not in my vocabulary. So you see, you're going to leave a small amount in this. Just a small amount of 20,000 and the beauty about it, I still have one more thing from out the promotion to give you. You can use the cash or the card to do the investment. So let me know which one of them you're using, the cash or the card.
I want to learn to talk like you.
You want to learn to talk?
Yeah,
Come here.
I mean, you're a very good sales rep. Trust me, you're right on about you're wasting time. With this, no, seriously, you're wasting time with this. You should have sell car. No,
Should I sell car?
Yeah, give me
I get a car.
This is joking. You should have sell car and house.
When
Believe
you
me.
buy this, make you sell the car.
Eh?
What are you using to do the investment? The cash or the card?
When me come back, me tell you.
Come here. Out of everything, let me show you what do you like the most.
I don't like nothing. I just listen to you.
Come here, man. How much cash you can find for you?
I don't want none of this way you
How
show me.
much cash you can find?
I don't want none of this way you
How
show
much
me.
cash you can find?
Can give you $100 Jamaican. That's alright?
No.
Alright then.
Come here. How much cash you can find?
Till it's $100 Jamaican dollars. That not good enough.
No, that's not good enough.
Alright
You
then.
want 100,000?
I tell you, Jamaicans are Easy. But she got talent still. You see Jamaicans, they are so talented because that's not normal talking. Because I mean, she could talk someone into actually buying something because she's talking as if she's giving away. You know, it's just crazy. But seriously, she should be selling cars and house. Trust me. I have a girl like she in a car mart selling cars. Trust me, you sell cars like crazy. And if a real estate, you mash up that too. Yeah. So that is all. You know how they say Montego Bay College has been said still scamming and everything. You have to learn to convince people. I see the street peeps. The streets never seems to amaze me. Never surprise me when you're here in the streets and kind of people you meet in the street. Never. That is the reason why I really love walking the streets of Jamaica. Yeah. Nothing planned, it just things just shit just happen. Shit just happen. It's not like a movie. That's why I love YouTube and I love watch YouTube too. Because when you watch YouTube you see real life things. Real life things. No script. It's not script. No, it's real drama. Lord, I tell you, my Jamaican people them. My Jamaicans are the best. But as I say, a lot of people there in Jamaica, you know, because seriously speaking, that girl could be making far more money than what she's making there. You know? In no time she could make herself a fortune. Yeah, she could be a millionaire in no time. Based on the way she can talk. Yeah. Comment below and tell me what you think about her. She sounds convincing. That's the reason why I love how I grew up in the streets, knowing the streets. You know? And trust me, I'm not near it. Wait till you go downtown. Downtown Jamaica, hey. Downtown Kingston. Yo. Everybody downtown Kingston and hustle. Will hustle you. Down to the baby pan and breast will hustle you. Trust me. When you're downtown Kingston, if you don't have a stall and you don't have a store, you will get stores. Trust me. People will meet you downtown Kingston and tell you, say, oh, what you're looking for? You see your shoes or you want clothes, and they will bring you into a store like a film store. And in Kingston they call it goose killing. Yeah, they call it goosing. Well, they will goose you. And what they does is they put on a little extra on the item that you're buying, tell you a little extra, and then they get that money for themselves. Yeah. That is how some people actually earn a living. But Jamaica nice. If I wasn't a Jamaican, I mean, I would want to be a Jamaican. If I wasn't born a Jamaican, I don't want to be a Jamaican. Yeah. That's one nationality I know I would want to be. I would definitely marry someone to be a Jamaican. If I wasn't a Jamaican, I would marry someone to be a Jamaican. Yeah. Jamaicans are the best. Trust me. We stand out. We are different. We are a different race of people. Different. When I say different, I mean extremely different too. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Montego Bay. You meet foreigners every day. Wow, that's nice. So your peeps today in Montego Bay, I read some message from my phone at the same time. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So I'm gonna say I'm reading some message. Yeah, and I gotta hold my phone. That's you guys will see what kind of message I read, because I hold a message to read. You know, hold a message. Yeah. Oh. I don't know, some of you watch very keenly, you know. So when I edit my video, I have to look if my phone was exposing to show you guys what's on my phone. Yeah, show what's on my phone. To show you what's on my phone. So you see this, as I said, it's a Tuesday, and it's a very busy Tuesday in Montego Bay. Yeah? Very busy one. There's a little complication with this stupid ass sitting here. I'm saying it will work now. Still not working to me. Oh, I don't know where you're this thing. I don't know what's wrong with it. But anyway, peeps, let's continue to walk and talk. Let's walk and talk. And you know, sometimes it's kind of, I wouldn't say hard. I was gonna say it's hard to make content, but it's not hard to make content. It's never hard to make content, because you're making content, you have to be creative. Yeah. It's better. You gotta be creative. I wanna go across the street. I wanna go across the street. So I walk all the way down here. And this is Montego Bay Fire Station, right on Barnett Street. Yeah. Traffic is crazy. It's a major, should I say main road or highway? I don't know if I should say the highway. Yeah. But it's very busy today. It's always been, but they said they're making a road, some highway. Yeah, they're making a highway to take vehicles from, if you don't have to drive through the town, then you won't be driving through the town, which is going to cause less traffic in Montego Bay, because a lot of times they have a lot of traffic in Montego Bay, because people have to go through come through the town. So let's see what the highway actually start make already. Oh, sun red. Yeah. The highway start make already. Whoa, the water is dirty. Whoa, why is that so dirty? Health alert. Yeah, so let's just start roast us and sitting. During the time when Melissa just came to Jamaica, another person was catching water out here and living out here, so another person was living out here. But that never looked good, so I guess I get rid of them and put them somewhere else, because that wasn't looking good for Montego Bay as a tourist capital. When people come, that's the first thing that they would see when they're driving past on the road. people camping out here. That never look good. Zinc and stuff like that. Yeah, that never look good. So they remove them, of course. Yeah, well, some ladies there saying that they lost them house and stuff like that. Yeah. So they remove them. Yo. The bicycle man, you see, he should be driving on the road, not on the sidewalk. The sidewalk is for pedestrian. He's riding, so he should be on the road. So he's balling out the man. Yow, yow. Typical Jamaican. Yeah. So, we're passing over there is Pier 1. I haven't been over there in a while. But one of them here will go over there. We'll probably go have something to eat. Yeah. Or so. And on my right is the craft market. This is the bigger craft market in Montego Bay. They have another craft market on 4th Street. Down on the 8th Strip, going towards the 8th Strip. Up on top of the hill there, that is called 4th Street. But this is the bigger craft market here. Yeah. Some of it never seem like it damaged, but a lot of it got damaged. Yeah, a lot of the market was damaged. Craft market, you can see buildings still damaged and still now fix them. That did not fix it still. Probably papers are not occupied. They're not occupied no more. But a lot of them seem that they really got real damage. Yeah. But I don't think the market is running as it used to or should, because as I say, we as people of my skin color are our own enemy. Because one time people say busload of tourists used to come to Montego Bay, and they used to bring them in the market. What happened now is whenever time tourists then come, the tour bus operators actually take the tourists to the Indian stores and stuff like that, because the Indians are actually giving them an incentive to taking them there. And why am I saying that? Because I've been there. If you watch the videos before, way down, and I just came to Montego Bay a couple months ago. Yeah, I went to the craft market and I interviewed a couple of the craft vendors, and they were telling me that they hardly get any customers like they used to. Stuff. And I've never really passed out here and seen a bus load of tourists over there or anything like that. But when I pass down on the 8th Strip and elsewhere, even further out where there are Indian stores, I see that the bus operators are actually, and I'm going to record it one time show you guys, actually always taking the tourists to those stores that are operated by the Indians. Yeah. And I'm not against anyone, but I'm just saying that, you know, they should be eating. Everybody needs to eat, because there's a lot of vendors in the craft market. Some of them actually make their own craft, some of them buy and sell, some of them make their own. So it's natural Jamaican organic crafts. You're just not getting any that sale. You know, it's crazy. Because it's a lot of work, and they have to pay bills every month, and they have to pay to be in the market. So, you know, it's tough. So when two or so tourists go in there, you're like always, you know, rushing them because everybody needs a sale. So you can understand that, though. You know, when people not making no money, they are like desperate. They behave a little bit desperate. Yeah. So let me cross that so. Let me cross that so. But one thing of it, in Jamaica you have to look how you cross, when you cross, because people are crazy. Alright, let's cross, we cross. And this is Arbor City. This is the newest shopping mall, or one of the newest shopping mall in Montego Bay, if not the newest. Yeah. And school over now. The school kids are actually going home. Securities are heading home also after working. No, those security work by Harmony Beach. Yeah, this is there. This security are yellow, in yellow. They work in Harmony Beach. I only see them in. I've seen them in Linstead and in Montego Bay. I don't know where else they are. They used to be in Linstead first. A couple of years ago, they used to be all in Linstead. But now I see them in Montego Bay, Harmony Park. I've seen a security company. You guys watch, so you guys probably know. And since of late, I've seen more car wash guys in Montego Bay than they used to see. No car wash. Let me see. What do you call them? Car window cleaners or so. What do you call them? I remember exactly the word they use. Yeah. But you used to see them mostly in Kingston. You see most of them. But I guess people are adapting and creating means. Use them creating means of making a living. So they come out like that. Yeah. And actually today I didn't feel like even leave the yard. Sometimes I don't feel like leave the yard from the other day. So I just kind of stay home, you know, and stay by myself. And you know, yeah. When you spend a lot of time by yourself, you also heal. For me, staying by myself also, I get a lot of healing. Because I see things, I think, you know, sometimes I overthink too. Yeah. Because especially sometimes if things not happening as fast as you'd want it to happen, then you kind of overthink. But, you know, just trust in God and know, say, it is God and time. Yeah. God and time. That me say. Big up yourself, brother. Not even answer me. Yeah, it is God and time, peeps. Trust me. God and time. So we are in Montego Bay. Yeah, sometimes I don't feel like, but as soon as I come on the road and I take out the camera, it's a complete different feeling. That is what the reason I know definitely in my heart that I was called for this. Called to do what? Called to take up a camera and talk? Yes. Called to do YouTube to make a difference. It might not seem important to you, but to some persons it's very important, because I can talk about what I'm going through and encourage other persons to know that never give up. Let them know that never give up, you know? Never give up. And it doesn't matter what you're going through. Don't give up. Yeah, I'm saying? Girl, I try to cross the road. Yeah, taxi driver there. Car driver, they're a good person. Actually, hold the traffic, even though the light is on green, to let the little girl pass. Yeah. That's a Lexus. Nothing. So people might know that Toyota make Lexus, no? So it's a Lexus, but a Toyota make Lexus. Yeah. But good cars also. Yeah. Not low maintenance Toyota vehicle. Some people would say about low maintenance. Yeah, I'm very, you know? Yeah. So yes, people, as I was saying, in life, you can't give up no matter what's going on. Persons give up because they don't see, they just can't take it. But there's no giving up. For me. You get what I'm saying? And as I say a lot of times, you think that you're going through so much. You're like, whoa, why me? Why this? But listen, shut up. When I hear some people's story, you ain't been through shit. You get what I'm saying? I might be going through something, and it's far more greater than what you are going through. And you can be going through something, or someone else can be going through something, and it makes what I'm going through seems like, trust me, just a walk in the park. You know? Yeah, that's how life is. That is how life is. Yes, babes. So, just saying, don't give up. You just have to keep going and going and going, like, you know, Duracell. Yeah. Fireman. Thing bless. Yeah, so Yeah, I'm passing Harmony Park. No. No, people come there to chill and sit. You see me go over there a lot of times. Yeah. No. Yeah, so the guys them here. Yeah, the white windows and stuff, the car glass. And you give them money. Yeah. And I see more of them coming out now. Because it's a quick way of making a box in the street of Montego Bay. I say you used to see it more in Kingston. But I see a lot of it come out now in Montego Bay. Car glass wipers. I don't remember exact word they use it, but trust me. Yeah. And a lot of persons when they see the guys them, they're like, you know, really. I mean, trust me, you don't know what they're going through. And trust me, you know, easy if you something like glass like that, something in the sun and wipe. Because as you watch my channel before, if you watch the videos before, if you just come across, you should watch videos. Sometimes I talk videos. You can watch videos all the way down. You see, like I used to do car detailing also. I be the sun all day detailing cars. One place in the sun doing all 4-5 vehicles before I move. You know, so I be one place all 3-4 hours in the sun before I move. Yeah, believe me, it wasn't easy, but I survived. That's why I know that I can survive anything in this life. Trust me, literally anything. I am a survivor. I am a survivor. Yeah. Because detailing cars in the sun, when I say a lot of people detail cars, I got guys here detail cars. They have cool shade, they have a shed. We ain't got nothing like that. You get what I'm saying? We never used to have nothing like that. It was tough. But we made it. And sometimes I was working like 7 days a week. Because sometimes you don't make enough money during the week. So you gotta work on the weekends, because a lot of persons be home on the weekends. So I would try to make up even on Sundays. I'm working from Sunday to Sunday. But you know, sometimes the money was great because some customers, they give far more than you deserve. You get what I'm saying? And sometimes I would say, Father, I know this is not natural. I know, you know, you always make your way. Especially when the bills come up, when the rent coming up. When my rent coming up, man, I be like not making any money. And when my rent coming up, and you know at the end of the month, you know I have to pay bills, trust me, I be start making money. Yeah, I'm like, damn Father, you know, you know make me, you know me short or nothing. Me I say, yeah, Father just make me make it. Yeah. Father always a come through for me, trust me. He's always coming through for me. That's the reason why I'm saying, so I can't give up in life. Never give up. I say, Father God always make a way. You get me? I say? Yeah. Yes, babes. And, you know, never give up, never give up, never give up. Yeah. So up there, so it's 4th Street, peeps. I'm talking up there. I have next craft market up there, so. They said that's the 4th up there, so that's called 4th Street. Yeah. So you have a little craft market up there. So. Yeah. And trust me, I mean, just coming out here, getting some sunlight, because I haven't been on the road from when? I haven't been on the road for about 3 days now. I was on the road Saturday. Was it Saturday? I think I was on the road from Saturday. And today is Tuesday. Yeah. Which is sometime every day I'm on the road. Sometimes I just don't want to see the road. I don't want to have to deal with people. Yeah. It is the reason why you see me alone record most times. Because, you know, doing a video for you guys is completely different. Doing a live, I like interact with you guys, but sometimes I don't like to interact with other people. Trust me. Alright, take your time. Hey. Hey. Trouble. So I'm just walking, babes, until I hear a spirit say stop. Yeah, I'm just walking. No, I'm walking. No taxi for me. No taxi. But this on this park, is very big. Harmony Beach Park. There's a beach park. So as I say, people come over there for chill. Can go swim and whatever. And all of that. Yeah. And again, shout out to my son Danaya and Dante. My son Dante and my daughter Danaya. Yeah. Big up on yourself in heaven. I know you guys are in heaven looking down on daddy and say, you go daddy, there's no giving up. You get me I say? There is no giving up. On Saturday, the 17th, my son and my daughter would have been 4 months old. They would have been creeping by now. Yeah, and as I say, they were gonna be very productive citizens, not just of Jamaica or of Cayman, but of this world. They're gonna be productive citizens of the world. Because some people, it's not pretty productive citizens of the world, you know. You have people with money and peanut for brains. You have people with money and peanut for brains, and they're not really productive to society and to the world. The world would have been better if those persons were annihilated. Yeah, the world would have been better if those persons were annihilated. Trust me. And I continue to say this, and you guys might say, why you say that? If you don't know, you soon know. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, you have persons who are in this world, but trust me, the persons who already passed, if it was possible, then those persons who already passed should have come back and get these persons' life, because this person don't really deserve to be here because they are evil. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. They don't respect life. They don't respect their life, and they don't respect other person's life. And why I say they don't respect their life? They don't respect their life. They're not grateful for life. Because all they do, they're just living and doing shit, trying to make other person's life miserable. You get what I'm saying? Which is, you know, the devil is just a devil using them, you know. So it would have been better if they were not here. But then you have other persons. Like I used to have this friend. He died also. He was hit off his bicycle by a vehicle. The youth name. That friend also name was Owen. Owen was a good youth. Owen was very honest, not selfish. That Owen was a good youth, and he was a very selfless person. That youth, you could trust him. You could be anywhere in the world, because I've seen persons, because he does used to do construction. I've seen person in other country send money to him to do construction work, and he would do what he's doing, spend their money, and put down their receipt until they come to Jamaica. Then he will show them. That youth was so honest. Trust me. And I spent about a week. I came to Jamaica in about 2019. Yeah, and I spent a week at his place. 1 week with him. Like 1 full week. And when I went back in St. Catherine, and somebody called me the night and said he died, and I was like, no, not the Owen that I know. But then I found out that, you know, yeah, he actually died. Something hit him off his bicycle. But that was a good youth. When I say a good youth, I mean a good youth. And in this world, I realize that you can hardly find honest, decent people who are, you know, trustworthy. But that guy, he was cool. Yeah. And I know a lot of other persons, I mean, they are there living their lives, and they are so shitty. You get what I'm saying? Doing their best to trying to control other person's life, trying to manipulate other person, and destroying a lot more person's life. But this year their time the rain will end this year. Believe me, the rain will end this year. Yeah. And just like the devil, yeah, the rain will end, but this year. Their judgment is coming this year. Not next year, but this year. Very soon this year also. Yeah. Because as I say, if you work for the devil is gonna reward you. Yeah. So again, big up to my son and my daughter, Dante and Danaya. Yeah. Big up yourself, bro. Oh, go on. Staying good? Aye. I don't even know the man. Yeah, well anyhow, he's using a walker. I have a lot of work to do. You know, I used to do landscaping at one point too. Not for long, for about roughly about a year. Yeah, about a year. Yeah. But I used to make it look easy, trust me. I used to make it look easy because me alone would tear down some work, I tell you. It's not like just making it look easy because I was I missing out. Persons trying to use me at the time. But that's how it is. Bless. Yeah, person was trying to use me. Yeah, at the time. It was a Caymanian. Yeah, at the time just got a Cayman. And it was a Caymanian. Yeah, he tried to use me, but yeah. And after being in Cayman for a period of time and stopped working with him, I saw him a couple times and he wasn't even able to look at me. That's how God works, you know. He wasn't able to look at me. And I said, you know, God is good. I remember one time that man provoked me, working with him, and he provoked me to wrath. You know? And I heard the devil speak to me. Yes, that's how we say we hear God speak to you. Yeah, the angel of God speak to you. The spirit speak to you, but you can't know what spirit speaking to you. That man provoked me till one day I almost knock him out. But I just, you know, I had a shovel today and I hear the spirit say, lick him out tight. But I didn't adhere to that spirit. I just chill. Trust me. Yeah, but that guy really pissed me off that time. Yeah. Alright, let's walk around on the beach. So, yeah, man, that man really pissed me off. But I didn't listen to the spirit. The spirit said, lick him out with a shovel. I just tell him that in chat too much. I just tell him, say, yo, you know you chat too much. I get so pissed off. But I was able to contain my anger. Yeah. But him know himself still. If you watch a video, yeah, man, big up yourself. It was a learning process. Some things in life happen, you wonder why it happened to you. But a lot of times I used to be working. I used to work over the wayside. I used to work in Cayman by the wayside where the shit at. I remember saying to that man, when I go there was like pool. There was like a pool where the waste is, but it's like the shit. The sewage. Put it that way. And they throw some form of chemical in it and then they, you know, trying to, you know, do what they're supposed to do with it. And I didn't know what it was. And I was like, what is this? And it was like, when you go back to Jamaica, you tell them you work where the shit at. But I said that was a learning process for me, you know. After a while, I felt bad when he said that at first, but then I said no. And I come to understand that sometimes in life, you gotta go through shit, literally. You know? You gotta work around shit, not work in shit. Which is, at times I used to work in shit, to dog shit, and you go on a shit. Ah, boy, I tell you peeps, my life was nothing normal. Yeah. That's why a lot of persons, after they come to Jamaica, they're not interested in even working for nobody else, or, you know? Yeah. A lot of us, when we come back to Jamaica, we're not interested for work for nobody because you've been through so much shit in life and where people treat you, you're not really interested. You just want to do your own thing. Yeah. And I give thanks to Jamaica and God for Jamaica that I'm a Jamaican. Because a lot of persons see you travel and you come into their country and they think that It's the best thing for you. The only thing you just need a start. You just need some extra dollars. You get what I'm saying? And not all of us is gonna be progressive out of Jamaica. Because I've seen a lot of youths and they make far more in Jamaica than persons actually working overseas. Trust me. So our life is different. Yeah. So we are at the beach. Yeah. This is a free beach. A free beach, no security, nothing, but no bathroom or anything there. So people come here and they swim, but there's no bathroom, nothing here. Yeah. I think they call this Old Man Beach or something like that. Yeah. See something like a swing down here. They let me go on the swing. Yeah. So yes, peeps, I've been through a lot of shit. But I know that I can endure a lot of things and still survive. Because I am a warrior. Real warrior. So this is a swing. Let me see. Let me check it out first. Yeah, the rope here is strong still. These kind of ropes are very strong. Let me take a swing on the swing. Let me take a swing on the swing. You guys can watch me swing on the swing. I didn't bring my gimbal. Whoa, I don't want to swing with my GoPro. Sure. Alright, can put this. Where you can put this? Battery need changing too. My battery is dying. Good thing I bring more than one battery. And I was only gonna bring the other GoPro, which only have one battery, but I took this one. Alright, right there, right. Can you see me? Yeah, can you see me? Yeah. Can you see me? Yeah. It's not a swing where you can't swing out that far. Because based on how it which part is tight. Yeah. If it was like sideways here, so you could have swing all the way out. Or if it based on how the tree is. So it's kinda not level. If it was level. Yeah. Woo. But this is nice, this is freedom. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. You hear that? Anywhere I go in the world, I'm coming back to Jamaica. Back to Jamaica. Yeah. Anywhere I go, I come back to Jamaica. I am a born Jamaican. Yeah. Let me change my battery on the GoPro here. Because yeah, it's almost dead. I didn't full charge the battery. Can't believe I never full charge the battery. Yeah. I'm not changing it. It have 15% left. I'm gonna let it go until it's depleted. Whoa. Yeah, the sea is a bit rough and it's kind of dirty. I don't know why, but it's kind of a bit rough and dirty. But this is therapy, you know. This is therapeutic, very therapeutic. On the beach, you know, and the water, the scenery. Spectacular! Spectacular! Yeah. It's a good thumbnail out of that. I'm saying I can get a good background to use as a thumbnail. Let me turn so I get a good thumbnail. Yeah. Yo! This is fun, peeps. Yeah, look at that. Yo! When you talk about rich, this is rich. This is rich. Because a lot of people have crazy money and they're not even really full enjoying it. You get what I'm saying? No, they're not full enjoying it. They have it, they're not sharing it, and they are messing up other people's life. That is not them full joy life. They think that they don't live life, they don't live no life. I'm living life to the fullest. So when the devil want me to go crazy, no. When the devil want to say me and my son and my daughter mother go crazy, no, we don't go crazy. No time to see our face. Because we're going to be up in our place. You get me I say? No time to see our face. Yeah, that is it. Remember that. God and time. So yes, peeps. Soon end the video here. I'm going to edit it right now. Yeah, upload it. Yeah, no itching. So the Montego Bay and right out there so is the it strip. Further out you have Margaritaville, yeah. And then you have a restaurant. The restaurant name again, I never can remember the restaurant. It's a well-known restaurant in a Montego Bay on it strip. The restaurant have been there for years now. Yeah. And a lot of these are like Airbnbs and condos and stuff like that, you know? Yeah. Some of them get this strike. I'm still one up on the hilltop there, so the roof gone. Yeah. Well, this is nice because a lot of people don't know, but a lot of Montego Bay is actually hilly. Yeah, it's like on a mountain, like, because you have up there, so you call it top road. Further up here, I call it top road, and then call it down here, so then call it bottom road. Yeah. So this road take you straight to the airport, or I take you straight to Dump-Up Beach. Yeah, Dump-Up Beach is very close to the airport. When I go there, you see the planes them actually coming in. So the planes are coming in from Montego Bay, headed that way. Yeah. So Donald Sangster International Airport is in Montego Bay. One of the main airports in Jamaica. One of the international airports in Jamaica. You have 2 international airports in Jamaica. So anyway, peeps, thank you all for watching, for liking, for sharing, for commenting and subscribing. Enough love and respect. You see me? Yeah, I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel and praying for us. Yeah, praying for my son and my daughter, Mommy. Me and my son and my daughter, Mommy, Danaya and Dante. Big up on yourself in heaven. Father God, know you got them covered. Yes. Away from evil people in this world. So remember, peeps, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do. Do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. Good over evil, God over devil. You hear me I say? Life over death. Try to make a difference in someone's life. A difference as in something good. You get me I say? Yeah, so until next video, peace out.
So small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Drive a fast